In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an angled header in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel from the Start menu, then open your workbook so you can work inside the sheet where your headers are located. Now select the header cells you want to angle. Click cell A1, then hold Shift and click cell F1. That selects the header row from A1 through F1. For this tutorial, we're only angling the header row, so make sure cells A1 to F1 are highlighted across row 1. Next, go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of the Excel window. In the Alignment group near the middle of the ribbon, click Orientation. This is the button with an angled AB and a small arrow. From the drop-down menu, choose Angle Counterclockwise. As soon as you click it, the text in the selected header cells rotates up to the right at a 45-degree angle. Excel also increases the height of row 1 automatically, so the rotated text has room to display clearly. At this point, your headers are already angled. If that 45-degree setting is all you need, the job is complete. The next part shows how to change that preset and use a specific custom angle instead. Keep the range A1 through F1 selected. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted header cells, then choose Format Cells. When the Format Cells window opens, click the Alignment tab at the top. On the right side, find the Orientation section. Click inside the degrees box and type 30. This sets the header text to a shallower angle than the preset. You can also drag the red diamond on the Protractor Style control to preview the angle visually inside the dialog. When the angle is set, click OK. The headers now tilt at exactly 30 degrees, which creates a more compact look while still keeping the labels readable. Now adjust the column widths so the angled headers work to your advantage. Click the column letter A, then drag across to column F to select all 6 columns. Move your mouse to the border between any 2 selected column letters, such as between B and C. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, double-click. Excel auto fits the selected columns to their contents. The columns shrink to match the data values rather than the longer header text, and the angled headers sit neatly above the narrower columns. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To keep the formatting, save the workbook with Ctrl+S. Your header row is now tilted at a custom angle, and each column uses only the width its data needs.